Alright guys, quick update. Man, it's hot out here. Let me not trip over my Milwaukee tools real quick. So here, fact for you. If you have some BMW S54 rod bolts lying around, they will work for this rear end on your Radical RS to RSX conversion. That should be really good information for you guys out there. I'm sure everybody has a set of those laying around. But yep, got those in there. Cut them down to fit. Here's what they were to start with. I don't know what that is. M12 by 1 or something. See if I can get this to focus. Yeah, it won't focus, but something like that. But yeah, that was a pain in the neck. I got the rest of the attachments on there. Fun thing about every Radical part you buy is it doesn't come with bolts. So, yep, enjoy that. And yeah, wing mounts are looking good. Got this whole rear end on. Now, I didn't show this on camera yet, but I already mounted my rear bumper to this. So I lined it up, drilled my holes, measured once and drilled 5 times like you're supposed to. And yeah, so I can put the bumper on and then use these turnbuckles to shimmer everything up where it's supposed to, and then get started on the engine cover, which is going to be a lot of fun. So I've got those pieces laying out here. I'm not putting the grills in probably till after this first race, but at a minimum not till everything is lined up and on the car. But here's the old, which I still may cut the back of this off to match this cover and, I don't know, have a spare or something. I'm not really sure what I'm thinking, but I don't see it as really useful for anybody, so might as well play with it. The other idea is make this the roof of our Lemons Miata. So if anybody has an opinion on that, let me know. Yeah, at least I'm making some progress here, but it's hot and it's slow going and I'm working in a trailer. So it's been fun. But yeah, that's where we're at so far. I think it looks cool at least. Let's just run the thing with no bodywork. The diffuser is not mounted up yet. Let's move this. Move these Milwaukee tools out of the way. Sponsor me, please. So I had to drill the air jack hole in this diffuser, but that's all done. I'm just crossing my fingers that I got it lined up right. I won't know until I can get the car out of the trailer and really mount this thing up properly, which is coming up soon. So yeah, a lot of fun so far. Ooh, this old exhaust might actually work with all these new parts on here. Ooh, let's see, think that'll stay? So that may work with these new parts. I just have to fab up a little bracket. It's gonna be close, but we'll see if I have to take a mallet to that and make that work, or make a new exhaust, which, you know, I might do that too. But yeah, whatever I need to do to make it to this next race is what's gonna happen. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope this is somewhat enjoyable, and keep you updated. See you next one.